Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where your indecisiveness meets its match. Today, we're diving into the resin wonderland of 3D printing. That's right, it's a face-off between the Anycubic 4K Plus and the Elegoo Saturn 312K. Or, as I like to call them, the Mono Marvel and the Saturn Slayer. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, the price tag. The Mono Marvel comes in at a wallet-friendly $229. Perfect for those who want to dive into 3D printing without selling a kidney. On the other hand, the Saturn Slayer demands a princely sum of $399. Sure, it's more expensive, but hey, maybe it comes with a butler to serve you tea while it prints. Now let's talk screens. The Mono Marvel flaunts a 6.6-inch 4K plus monochrome LCD. It's like watching your models come to life in Ultra HD, minus the popcorn. Meanwhile, the Saturn Slayer boasts a whopping 10-inch 12K LCD. That's more Ks than my last Scrabble game, folks. If you're into details that make you squint in awe, the Saturn's got you covered. Size matters, right? The Mono Marvel offers a printing volume of 143 by 89 by 165 millimeters. It's like a cozy New York apartment, small but functional. The Saturn Slayer, however, brings a mansion to the party with a printing volume of 218.88 x 122.888 x 250 millimeters. You could practically print a small village with this beast. Let's shed some light on the light sources. The Mono Marvel uses an upgraded LightTurbo matrix. Sounds fancy, right? It's like a disco ball for your resin, reducing layer lines and making your prints smoother than jazz. The Saturn Slayer counters with a COB UV light source and Fresnel collimating lens. Imagine getting a suntan while printing. Just kidding, but it does make the details pop. Software time. The Mono Marvel comes with Photon Workshop 3.0, which sounds like a sci-fi movie sequel. It's got all the bells and whistles, from slicing to model repair. The Saturn Slayer uses Voxel Dance Tango, offering 3 printing modes: static, dynamic, and high speed. It's like the Fast and Furious of 3D printing software. Who needs Vin Diesel when you have high-speed mode? Last but not least, the build plate. The Mono Marvel has a laser-engraved build plate, ensuring your prints stick like a stubborn sticker. The Saturn Slayer also features a laser-carved platform, promising super strong adhesion. It's like having Gorilla Glue on steroids. According to Amazon reviews, the Anycubic 4K Plus is praised for its ease of setup, quality, and performance, especially for miniatures. However, it has some issues with auto-leveling and slicing software. On the other hand, the Elegoo Saturn 3 is noted for its high-quality prints, ease of use, and excellent customer service, though it sometimes struggles with Z-height consistency and quality control. So there you have it, folks. The Anycubic 4K Plus is your go-to for budget-friendly, high-quality prints, while the Elegoo Saturn 3 is the Rolls-Royce of resin printers, if you're willing to splurge. Both are fantastic, but the choice is yours. Drop a comment below and let us know which one you'd choose. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, print smart and stay savvy. Product links are in the description.